Hello guys, welcome to 5th Generation Nabi Shop and welcome to another unboxing and testing. Shoutout natin Sir Paul. Meron tayo ditong Glock 17 Taran Tactical Innovation Combat Master Glock 17 Gen 3 Gas Blowback Airsoft Pistol by ENC. So bali ang bala nito ay plastic ball, Airsoft BBs, plastic ball. Yan, yun yung kanyang bala. Tapos, yung kanyang hangin naman ay green gas. Yan, Pop Dino. Okay, so this is gas blowback airsoft pistol. Yan, may mga markings yan, no? Taran Tactical Innovation, Combat Master. Yan. Tapos, meron siyang lagay na flashlight dito. So, ito yung magazine niya, gas blowback. Lagyan natin ang gas. Inverted position upside down, 3 to 5 seconds lang. Ayan. Tapos pag magdulod ng BBs, dito lang naman yan. Ayan. Okay. So, testing po, Sir Paul, Combat Master Glock 17 Gen 3. Airsoft po siya, Airsoft Pistol by ENC. Ayan, so China brand po pag ENC. Okay, and testing. Gas blowback Airsoft Pistol. Firing. Yon, so open tayo sir, Glock 17 Gen 3 Combat Master.